Welcome to the IIBA Business Analyst Certification course. This course is based on IIBA BABOK Guide version 3 and provides a well-structured approach to help you prepare for various levels of certifications such as CBAP, CCBA and ECBA launched by IIBA in September 2016. This course is for all levels, that is beginner to advanced level, and hence suitable for students, new graduates, as well as experienced business analysts who would like to undergo self-paced learning without spending hundreds of dollars. Briefly about myself, I am Trividh Patel. I have over 15 years of experience in business analysis and consulting. I have extensive experience working in business analysis projects for clients from different geographies such as USA, UK, Europe, Middle East, Japan, and India. I have worked in multiple domains such as insurance, banking, lending, media, and sports. I am Certified Business Analyst Professional by International Institute of Business Analysis since March 2012. The purpose of this course is to learn key business analysis concepts and specific business analysis tasks described in IIBA BABOK Guide version 3. With this training, you will be able to align your business analysis knowledge and or experience with concepts of IIBA BABOK Guide. The objective of this course is to prepare for globally recognized IIBA CBAP or CCBA certification or for ECBA certificate exam. Now let's briefly understand coverage for the whole course. In this course, you will understand about various business analysis certifications offered by IIBA, about business analysis key concepts and underlying competencies. You will learn about the business analysis planning and monitoring knowledge area and associated business analysis tasks. Similarly, you will learn in detail about business analysis tasks from various knowledge areas such as elicitation and collaboration, requirements lifecycle management, strategy analysis, requirements analysis and design definition, and solution evaluation. You will also be able to understand the steps involved in making the IIBA application and appearing for the IIBA exam.